Alright, what I want to show you today is how to install a new screen protector, the tempered glass, on the S9 Plus. And I have cracked mine, and since it's cracked, what better time to show you how to install it. First thing you want to do before you install it is go into your settings and then go to display. Go all the way down to touch sensitivity. Make sure that's all the way up. Once you have that all the way up, go ahead and shut the phone off. And if you have a case on it or something like that, now's a good time to remove the case. And the old one should just pop right on off. Just be careful because it is glass and you want it to come all off in one piece. Okay, like that there. Don't need that one anymore. Let's get the new one out. This is your new glass right here, so be very careful with it. Comes with the cleaner so you can clean your case. Clean your screen. And this here is to make sure you get every little bit of dust off of the screen. So while you're doing this, you don't want to do it in front of any fan or anything like that, because you don't want any dust, lint, pet hair, or anything flying around to get stuck on your screen, because you don't want it to get caught in between the screen protector. Alright, so let's get started with a nice little wipe down on the screen. And this is just a little cleaning cloth they gave you to have. Let's make sure, sorry about that, let's make sure she's all nice and clean and wiped down. Just want to make sure everything is off of there. Okay. Now go ahead and give it a wipe with the cloth that they gave you. Now some things are not visible to the eye, so you want to use this here to go over your phone, the whole screen, and just pick up anything that the eye can't see. It's kind of a sticky little deal, so just go over the whole phone like that. Just make sure you get everything. Fingerprints, try not to touch the screen when you're doing this. Set that to the side. You may need it later. Now this is going to be the applicator. This is what you're going to use to make sure the screen stays in place or in position. So now use your cloth to pick up your phone. And it's got a little top on here labeled top, so you can make sure you get the phone in the right place. Put put that inside. Let's give her another little wipe down, make sure ain't nothing else in there. Give her a few dabs of that again, just to be on the safe side. Remember, just to be on the safe side. A few little dabs of that. And now we're ready to apply the screen, the new screen protector. Now be very careful touching your new screen protector as well. We're going to peel the film off the back of it. It's sticky up here, and then it's sticky down at the bottom. You want to make sure you put it right inside there. This applicator is make sure you don't put it in the wrong way so you can't mess this up. So put that in, press down all the way around. And give her a good, nice set, push down. Now you can take the applicator off. Make sure you push down on all edges. And put your case back on. And she's through. Turn your phone back on. And you're good to go. That's how you apply your new screen protector. And when you buy a screen protector, make sure it is tempered glass. Don't buy any of that cheap stuff.